Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina here with a weekly review of financial events from Forex. The US stock market was in downtrend on Friday following a short-lived morning rally triggered by consumer spending report released earlier. The Nasdaq Composite showed the weakest performance in 17 months as heavy sales of biotech stocks dragged the index down. The S&P 500 was up by 0.5% at 1,857.62 points, thus losing 0.5% on the week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average grew by 58.83 points to 16,323.06 points and added just shy of 0.1%. The Nasdaq Composite ticked up by 0.1% to 4,155.76 points. The indicator's weekly fall was 2.8%, the most significant decline since October 2012. The analyst noted that Friday's statistics was in line with expectations, suggesting that economic contraction was weather-related and temporary. Thus, consumer spending rose in February at the fastest pace since last November. Moreover, consumer incomes also increased. This week, a bag of macroeconomic data is on the lookout. The economists hope that the figures will reflect economic rebound in the USA. Besides, Michigan consumer sentiment dropped to 80 points in March from 81.6 points in February, while the expectations were for the level of 81 points. On the corporate front, BlackBerry Limited lost 7% in shares value after the company reported its adjusted losses of 8 US cents per share from 67 US cents per share in the fourth quarter of 2013. The specialists surveyed by Bloomberg had forecasted the loss of 57 US cents per share. The quarterly earnings narrowed to $976 million from $2.68 billion before. Moreover, the CBS, Outdoor Americas and Everyday Health companies had IPO on Friday. The shares of the first one gained 5.4%, but Everyday Health held its maiden IPO with the loss of 3.6%. On the downside, the Amazon.com quotes retreated from previously gained positions and closed flat as the company said it plans to provide free yet advertisement-supported streaming television, music and video to its customers, the Wall Street Journal reports. However, Reuters, citing Amazon spokesman, said that the internet giant has no plans to offer free-of-charge broadcasts. And this was the latest weekly financial review prepared for you by our Forex team. Thank you and goodbye.